Hello, dear student. All of you, welcome back in our another session of course Ethnobotany. First, I introduce myself. I am Dr. Mukta Bhamre, Assistant Professor at Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. So, in today's session, we will going to discuss here about the unit number 5. The name of the unit is Ethnobotany and Legal Aspect, in which we focus here the topic ethnobotany as a tool to protest interest of ethnic groups, part 1. Session agenda: the introduction and the different musical instrument used by the different ethnic groups. Introduction: ethnobotany, it is a nothing but the nation of plants. Ethnobotany is a new discipline study the knowledge and traditional practices of the indigenous and the ethnic society in conservation and the use of biodiversity for human health and nutrition. Means all over the world there is a various ethnic societies or indigenous people lived in a different tribal belts, and these people they have direct contact with the forest or the natural resources for getting their or fulfillment of their basic needs, means getting the food, shelter, clothes and medicines. Then the different tribals in all over the world, there is various tribals communities are there in India, in our state Maharashtra. The different tribes like as a Thakur, Mahadev Koli, Warli, Katkaris, Bhilla and Kokna, Paura live in Maharashtra. Specifically, they habited in the Western Ghats region of tribal belts. So these tribal people use the different plants as a home remedies, then for building and hatching the hunts, then making the musical instrument, then agricultural implements, toys, etc. Means these tribal peoples they are directly depends on the forest for various purposes like as a medicines, food, shelter. Then here the various forest plant they were used for making the instruments. Then music and dancing are an important part of the Gond and Korku tribes inhabited in the Vidarbha region in our state. These Aboriginals make a variety of musical instruments from the natural products available around them. Means these tribal people uh, they construct or they made the variety of musical instrument by using the different forest plants, means whatever available surrounding of them, and they utilize that resource and they made the different musical instrument. And these musical instrument they enjoyed in the different festivals, and they played the different musics, and they sing the songs and dancing in their various religious programs. Then musical instrument including the drums, flute, dholki and small cymbals, etc. Then here I am focusing the plant used by tribal communities for making the various instrument. First, I am focusing here the ethnomusicobotany, means the production of or the making the various musical instrument by the ethnic groups. Tribal people have a flair for music and dance. Their lives are fully of rhythm. Music is a most of the important aspect of their culture, which makes them more lively. Means in their socio-cultural practices there is a various festivals they were celebrated, and within that functions or festivals they specifically use these various musical instrument. The different tribes are use the different musical instrument of which most are the tarfa, then uh, Ghangadi, Dhol, uh, Madal, Sambal, Pava, Sur, then Tur and Thali. They prepared with the locally available material like as a gourd, pumpkin, wood, bamboos, plant fiber, etc. Means whatever the musical instrument made by the tribal people, they only used the plant resources. Means whatever plants they available within their surrounding, they specifically used for making the different instruments. Then first I am focusing here the tarfa. Tarfa, it is one of the fantastic music instrument, and it is a use in a tarfa dance with which generally takes place after the harvesting of new crops. Means they were that tribals or ethnic society or people or indigenous people, uh, they were very happy after the harvesting of the new crop, and the celebration they celebrated that harvesting festival and continue to Diwali. Basically this instrument is a use for invoking the gods and uh, daityas. Then the material is used for making this tarpa. Here the dried scooped narrowly oblong fruit of Langinaria cerearia. Means here the dudi bhopla they specifically used. Then two thin bamboos, means Dendrocalamus strictus bamboos clumps with holes, and the leaves of the Borasus flabellifera were wrapped around the horn to fill up the gaps between its bamboos clumps. Then see, this is the tarfa instrument. See, there is a long that dudi bhopla were used, and see there is a bamboo stick used for the holding. See, this is the tarfa musical instrument. Then next there is a ghangadi. It is another musical instrument. Here the material used for making this instrument. Here the two bottle gourds were used, and it is a dried scooped out the fruit of Langinaria cerearia, a slightly different size. Then bamboo pieces of about 1 mm with one end curved. Then use the two wooden or bamboo pegs and slender wooden stick of Tectona grandis or Terminalia crenulata. Then one wooden block were used of that Tectona grandis, and string, or there is a steel wire or bee wax and the charcoal powder were applied. See, this is the instrument of the gadi. Then see the next, the dhol, the material used for making the dhol, hollow wooden cylinder of the Petrocarpus marsupium plant used, or Tectona grandis, the hollow wooden cylinder. Then cord made by the plant fiber like as a hibiscus cannabilis plant fiber were used for making the cords, and the leather purchasement, means leather here the specifically the goat skin used for making this dhol purchasement. Then see, this is the traditional musical instrument used by the various ethnic groups or the tribal people. It is a dhol, and see that there is a the wooden log is used of that Tectona grandis, and see there is a hibiscus fiber were used, and then goat leather. Then see the next musical instrument, it is a madal. This madal material means it is produced from the hollow wooden cylinder of the Tectona grandis or the Desmodium ogenensis. These two plants they specifically use as a material source for the madal. Then the cord made by the plant Hibiscus cannabilis, and here also the goat skin use goat skin, or we call the leather purchasement used. Then see, this is the madar. It is a, see there is a wooden log of the Tectona grandis, and then there is a hibiscus fiber were used, and goat leather. Then the next musical instrument is a sambal. Sambal, it is one of the most popular musical instrument in our Maharashtra. Here, this sambal made from the two hollow wooden cylinders of Tectona grandis or the Dalbergia siso in the shape of the semi-spherical or and rounded at the base. Then the cord made by the plant fiber Hibiscus cannabis. Then there is a use of 6 wooden blocks. Then 4 metal rings required, and the upper part it is covered with the leather purchasement or goat skin. See here the photograph of the sambal. See, there is a two hollow wooden logs were required, and the hibiscus fiber used, and the upper they cover with the goat leather. And this is one of the most popular instrument, and they specifically used by the ethnic groups. Then the next there is a kasli or called the sur. This sur it is made up of from the one hollow wooden pipe of Darbalgia siso or the bamboo piece. Then it is a looks like as sur it is a looks like as a guitar like instrument. Then see that next there is a pava. In Marathi we call the pava or the flute. This flute it is a made up of with the help of the bamboo stem, that is a Dendrocalamus strictus. And here the bamboo strip it is a near about 1 centimeter by 2 centimeter. Then required the bamboo piece and the bee wax. This pava it is from ancient period of time. This pava it is a very popular musical instrument, and pava it is one of the favorite musical instrument of Lord Krishna, or we call the basuri also. Then see, this is the pava, this is the flute. See, this is the one piece of the bamboo, and the making the hole of particular distance, and very nice sound produced through this pava. Then the next there is a thur and thali. The thur and thali it is also one of the most favorite musical instrument. This musical instrument made from the two-faced drum made up of the clay with the two open ends. Then use the leather purchasement, the skin of goat, and cord made by the hibiscus fiber. Then hibiscus cannabis or the leather strip. Then here use the rice flour or as a sativa grain powder. Then wooden stick of about 25 to 30 centimeter. That is a Terminalia chebula plant, hirda plant wooden stick were used, and the dish of copper alloy metal were used. Then the song, it is a mast. The mast locally called the song, and the crowd from the single piece of Sterculia urens plant. See the next focusing here, the plant used for making the various musical instrument by the various ethnic societies or indigenous people from the different region. So the first botanical name, then plant part were used, and the musical instrument. So Boreasus flabelliferus, this plant specifically part used, the leaves were used for making the tarpa. Then Dalbergia siso, the wooden cylinder, it is a use for making the sambal and kasli. Then the Dendrocalamus strictus, the stem of Dendrocalamus, it is a use for making the tarpa and pava. Then Desmidium ogenensis, the wooden cylinder, it is a use for the making the musical instrument madal. Then Hibiscus cannabis, it is produce that phloem fiber. That phloem fiber of the Hibiscus cannabis, it is used for making the musical instrument like as a dhol, madal, sambal, tur, and the thali. Then Langinaria cerearia, the fruit of this Langinaria we call the bhopla, dudhi bhopla. It is a use for making the musical instrument tarfa and thali. Then Oryza sativa, in Marathi we call the rice flour. It is a use for the tur and thali making. Then Petrocarpus marsupium, The plant part used like as a wooden blocks is a use for making the dhol. It is one of the most famous musical instrument. Then Tectona grandis in Marathi we call the sagwan. That sagwan, they specifically very important timber plant, and wooden pegs or wooden blocks or wooden stick of this sagwan or tectona plant, it is a use for the making the variety of instrument, namely the dhol, madal, sambal, uh, ghangadi, tur and thali. Then the another, there is a terminalia crenulata, the wooden stick were used for the ghangadi, tur and thali. So these are the very important plants, forest plants specifically. This is a use for making the various musical instrument. And the tribal people, they specifically obtain all these plants from their surrounding or the surrounding forest resources. Then on the today's session, the some questions are arises, and that question here given in the student assignment section. The first and list the different instrument made by the tribal. Then write the material used for the preparation of tur and thali. Then same write the material used for making the dhol, tarfa, thali, like that. Questions are arises. So in a next lecture, we will focus the another means here the another tools protect the ethnic groups. We will focus in a next lecture specifically the various ornaments, various agriculture implements, toys, and household furnitures. We will focus in next lecture. Thank you.